There was competition, but it was very friendly competition. And it was, especially for me, it was really good to see the young girls, the young boys, so the children, anak-anak, taking part, enjoying themselves. So it's been a really great competition.
Fantastic to see the Harimau Minangkabau growing to the level of spreading across all these provinces to come here to this event and compete. The standards are very, very good. And I love the motto that you have here, which is win or lose, be happy. And I think that's what I felt. Everybody was just happy, lots of photos, lot of...
Pertandingan di FORNAS ini banyak lagi provinsi-provinsi yang akan masuk atau lebih luas lagi provinsi-provinsi yang lain dapat bersama untuk menganjurkan pertandingan ini.
Dan kedepannya saya akan yakin ini adalah bibit pertama dan nanti akan menjadi energi yang kuat, akan menyebar ke daerah-daerah.
Silek Harimau Minangkabau, tradisi kita untuk dunia.
Harimau.